In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can study for absolutely free here in Singapore. Okay, so before we begin, a quick intro about myself. I'm Suryansh Kushwaha, a current Year 3 computer science student at the National University of Singapore. और मैं यहाँ पे एकदम फ्री में पढ़ रहा हूँ. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you the entire process so that you can also bag the 150% scholarship at NUS. Okay, so the first thing which you guys need to take care of is the application window. At the time this video is recorded, the application window is closed. However, the application window usually opens about start of November to mid-November. And if you do a simple Google search of NUS application window, you can find this web page. And here they have also mentioned the application period for the next year, 25-26. And if you click on this link, you can find the application period based on your qualification. So here we can see for all the other international qualifications, the application period will open this year from 13th November 2024 till 26th February 25. Alright, so the next thing would be the program prerequisites. So based on your desired major, meaning the major which you want to pursue at NUS, you have some minimum prerequisites which you must have before you even apply to NUS. So again, if you do a quick simple search of NUS program requirements, you'll find this link. And here you can find the program requirements for single degree programs and also the double degree or concurrent degree programs. So simply click on them and look, let's say if you want to do computer science, which I'm doing, then you must have year 2 or a higher level pass in mathematics. And you can see if there's a selection interview or a test or not. And for computer science, it's not. So based on your major, which you want to do in the NUS, you can just go to this link, or if you want to do a double degree, you can just go to this link and find your program requirements. One important thing is still left. It's the admission requirements. All you need to do is the quick Google search NUS admission requirement and you can find this link. Here they have listed all the different qualifications along with the requirements. So let's say you're from CBSE or ICSE board, just click here and find the minimum requirements based on your qualification. Okay, so I've already done another video on this called the Navigating the NUS application, and you can find more in-depth detail in that video. Moving on to the questions which a lot of you guys have asked me in the past. कि भैया बोर्ड्स में नंबर कितने होने चाहिए? Okay, so if you quickly look at their website, we can find that the prospective students are generally expected to have a good academic record in addition to the previous mentioned subject prerequisites. And also, if you go to the scholarship website, we can find that the candidates must possess outstanding high school results. Okay, so quickly talking about this. So you must have about 95% and above in 10th standard, and for 12th standard, also the same about 95 or 96% and above. Do note that the higher your percentage, the higher are the chances of you getting the scholarship. Okay, another very related question कि भैया extracurriculars कौन से होने चाहिए? Okay, so again, if you go to the scholarship website, you can see that the candidate must have strong leadership qualities and potentials. Along with that, you must also have good co-curricular activities record. So quickly talking about it. So basically, try to do something which can represent these two features. So maybe for the strong leadership qualities, maybe you can participate in the student council in the school to show that you can take up some work and know how to lead. And for co-curricular activities, maybe you can work in an NGO, or maybe you are a very good, let's say a badminton player, you are very good at some sports, so maybe you can show these things. Other than that, maybe you can show the projects which you have done related to the major you're applying for. So all of these things count for your extracurricular activities. All right, now that we have everything we need, all you need to do is a simple Google search, NUS application, and just fill in the form. The form will cost you $20, which is about 1,200 to 1,300 Indian rupees. Do note that at this point in time, there is no separate scholarship application. But please do remember to opt in for the MOE tuition grant because that's a prerequisite for the scholarships. If you want more details about this grant and also how to approach the application, I have added the links to my other videos down below, and also the cards are up here. Suryansh, application to भर दिया, scholarship का क्या? Don't worry, I'm gonna cover that part now. So if you go to the scholarship website, you're gonna find that all the eligible students who have applied for admission will be considered for the scholarship, but only the suitable applicants will be separately invited to submit a scholarship application. And this application is just about your co-curricular activities and other achievements, which I've already mentioned earlier in the video. Now the question is, by when can you expect to receive an invitation? So while I was looking at the website to find the dates for you, I found different dates everywhere. So to make it easier for you guys, I just asked the NUS admissions. And what they told me is that all you need to do is sit back and relax and just wait for them to send you the invitation. And along with that invitation, they're going to send you a deadline specific to you by which you need to submit the scholarship application. However, another question would be, how long do I need to wait? So if you go to the website and important dates, you're going to see that you are to expect your admission outcome by the end of July. This scholarship is going to be 150% scholarship covering your entire tuition fees, your entire accommodation fees, and also your living expense, which include food and transport. Not just that, they also give you a one-time disbursement to buy a laptop. So it's a bit crazy. However, in return of this scholarship, you need to serve a bond. So if you guys want me to make another video with all the different scholarships available and the terms and conditions related to it, please do comment down below. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. So please do subscribe, like, and share. And if you guys have any questions, you can please contact me on my LinkedIn or Instagram. And see you soon in the NUS. By the way, I'm going to be uploading my scholarship application when I hit 1000 subscribers. तो बस जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दो.
चलो अब सब्सक्राइब कर भी दो यार, बटन सामने ही है. ये ना पसंद आया तो नीचे भी है.